Namo Namaha student. Today we will see Bhasha Abhyasa. Student, do you remember? Already we saw Kah, Ka, Kim. This Bhasha Abhyasa according to Kah, Ka, Kim. Let us see. Student, we saw Kah, Ka, Kim. Okay. Kah, interrogative letter used for a boy. Kah, interrogative letter used for a boy. Ka, interrogative letter used for a girl. And Kim, interrogative word used for a Napusakalinga, neuter gender. Right? Same thing, Eshah and Sah used for a boy. Eshah and Sah used for a boy. Esha and Sa. Esha and Sa used for a girl. And Etat and Tat. Etat and Tat used for Napusakalinga. That means neuter gender. This Bhashabhyasaha, according to lesson number 2. According to lesson number 2. Let us see. First question is Yogya Stambheshu Shabdan Likhata. Yogya Stambheshu Shabdan Likhata. Write down the words in appropriate box or column. Appropriate box or column. Now see here, 3 columns are given. Sah, Sa and Tat. In first column, Sah is there. In the first column, Sah is there. Sah indicate Pullinga. Sah indicates Pullinga. That means masculine gender. Sah indicates Pullinga. That means masculine gender. Second column is Sa. Sa indicate Strilinga. Sa indicate Strilinga. That means feminine gender. That means feminine gender. And third column is Tat. Tat indicates Napusakalinga. Tat indicates Napusakalinga. That means neuter gender. Now, how to recognize Pullinga, Strilinga, Napusakalinga words? The easy way to remember this is when word end with visarga. End with visarga. Then word is Pullinga. When word end with a, like Lata, Kala, a, that time Akaranta is a Strilinga. And when word end with see here, Gruham, is there, that time Napusakalinga. So here, Yogya Stambheshu Shabdan Likhata. Now first word is Chandraha. Chandraha, 2 dot, Visarga is there. So obvious. Saha Chandraha. Saha Chandraha. Second word is Lata. Yes, correct. Lata, Strilinga. So Sa Lata. Third word is Patram. Is there. So Tat Patram. Dugdham is a milk. Patram, later, leaves. Dugdham. Again, is there. Tat Dugdham. Padaraksha. Again, A is end with A. So, answer Sa Padaraksha. Ashvaha, horse. सः अश्वः. विमानम. Yes, is there. Tat vimanam. Shatika. Eyes end with a. So shatika. Sa shatika. Vruddha. Again visarga is there. Sah vruddha. Petika. Again eyes there. End with a. So petika. Sa petika. Gruham. Is there. Tat gruham. Clear, student? Again, Chandraha, Visarga is there, Saha Chandraha. Lata, is there, Sa Lata. Patram, and with Tat Patram. Dugdham, again, Tat Dugdham. Padaraksha, Sa Padaraksha. Ashvaha, Saha Ashvaha. Vimanam, Tat Vimanam. Shatika, and with a. Sa shatika. Vruddha. Sah vruddha. Petika. Sa petika. Gruham. Tat gruham. Now our second question is Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Means frame the question. Now see here, they are given one example. Mrugaha dhavati. Now mrugaha, visarga is there. So mrugaha is a masculine gender pullinga. Mrugaha dhavati. This is a statement. So make the question in Sanskrit. Mrugaha is a pullinga. That's why here use kaha. Because kaha used for a boy. Ka used for a girl. And kim used for a neuter gender. Right? Napusakalinga. Now here, kaha dhavati. Who is running? So answer will become Mrugaha dhavati. Deer is running. Now student, if I say Usha is reading. Usha is reading. For understanding how to frame question, let us check one example. Usha is reading. If I am supposed to frame a question in English, I will ask, who is reading? So answer is Usha. Exactly in Sanskrit, Usha pathati. Reading meaning pathati. Means Usha is reading. Now I will use ka pathati. Is the question that I have framed from the statement. From the statement, I use ka because our subject is Strilinga. Our subject is Strilinga. Usha is a girl name, so Strilinga. And here Mrugaha. Mrugaha, deer. So Pullinga. That's why here Kaha will come answer. And Usha is a girl name. That time subject is Strilinga. So Ka will become there. Ka pathati, Usha pathati. If a statement is Rahul pathati. Now Rahul is a boy name. Then the question should be framed Kaha pathati. Correct. Because Rahul is a boy name. Is a boy. Pullinga. Student, let's see here. Chhatraha likhati. Chhatraha, student. Likhati, writing. Now Chhatraha, visarga is there. So, who is writing in English and Sanskrit? Kaha likhati. Kaha likhati. Next is Phalam patati. Now, Phalam, is there. Correct. Is a Napusakalinga. Kim patati? Kim patati? Answer will become there. Phalam patati. Balika gayati. Now see student, Balika is a girl. So Gayati singing. Girl is singing. Now in English, who is singing? But in Sanskrit, you should use their ka because there is Balika. Ka Gayati. Balika Gayati. Next is Markatah Khadati. Markatah means monkey. Khadati, eating. Yes. Kah khadati, because Markata is a pullinga, masculine gender. Khadati, eating. Kah khadati, Markatah khadati. Esha pashyati. She is watching or seeing. So Esha, again Esha is a strilinga. So ka pashyati, ka pashyati, Esha pashyati. Listen again carefully. When kah interrogative letter used for a boy. Here Chhatra is a boy. Markatah is a boy. That's why here use kah. Ka interrogative letter used for a girl. Now here Balika is a girl name. Esha is a feminine gender. Balika also feminine gender. So here ka will become ka gayati, ka pashyati, and kim interrogative word used for a neuter gender. Now here phalam is a neuter gender. So phalam patati, kim patati used for kim neuter gender. That time you should use kim. Phalam patati प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुत किं पतति. Clear student? Now see student. Student, in your pre-primary school level, you must have learned story of Thirsty Crow. They are given picture. Okay, Thirsty Crow. Now we have same story in our Sanskrit textbook. See student, our question number 3. Over there you will see keywords in the bracket. See here, keywords bhavati, pashyati, kshipati, khinnah, kakah, pibati, agachati, brahmati. Now there is keywords. Talikatah shabdan chitva katham purayata. Katham purayata. Use these keywords and complete the story. Now apply your previous knowledge and find appropriate words to make meaningful sentences. First, let us understand the word's meaning. First, bhavati is, pashyati watching, seeing, kshipati throwing, khinnah unhappy, sorrow, kakah crow, pibati drinking, agachati coming, and brahmati wandering. Now see, ekah dash ativa trushartah. Ekah means one. Dash. Now here fill in the blank. Ativa very. Trushartah thirsty. Who is thirsty here? Ekah kakah crow. One crow is very thirsty. Sah he. Atra tatra, atra and tatra, atra here, tatra there, here and there, atra tatra, भ्रमति. Brahmati means wandering. Sah atra tatra भ्रमति. Next, सह वने एकम घटम dash. Sah he vane in the forest. Ekam ghatam one pot. Sees. So see pashyati. He sees. Sorry student, one sentence is here. Kintu jalam nasti. Kintu but jalam nasti, there is no water. Now here comes saha vane ekam ghatam. Saha he vane in the forest. Ekam ghatam one pot. See pashyati. Pashyati. Saha vane ekam ghatam pashyati. He sees in the forest one pot. Kintu ghate jalam alpam. Kintu but there was very little water in the pot. Ghate in the pot. Jalam alpam, very little water. Sah dash bhavati. Sah dash bhavati. Sah he. Bhavati is. He was very khinnah, very sorrow, unhappy. He was very unhappy. He is very unhappy. See, bhavati meaning is, but story always in past tense. So he was very khinnah. Khinnah means sorrow, unhappy. Sah ghatasya samipe पाषाणखण्डान् पश्यति. सः घटस्य समीपे पाषाणखण्डान् पश्यति. He sees some stones. पाषाणखण्डान् stones. Some stones. पश्यति sees near that pot. Near that pot. घटस्य समीपे. समीपे meaning near. घटस्य pot. सः घटस्य समीपे पाषाणखण्डान् पश्यति. He sees some stones near that pot. सः एकैकं पाषाणखण्डं घटे. सः he एकैकं one by one. पाषाणखण्डं stones. घटे in the pot. Yes, throwing. So क्षिपति. Very क्षिपति here. Third word is क्षिपति. सः एकैकं पाषाणखण्डं घटे क्षिपति. He throws those stones one by one in the pot. तेन जलम उपरि. Yes. What answer? आगच्छति. तेन जलम उपरि आगच्छति. Water comes up. Because of that, water comes up. Kakah jalam pibati. Correct. Kakah jalam pibati. Santushtah cha bhavati. Santushtah cha bhavati. Now, kakah jalam pibati. Crow drink that water and santushtah cha bhavati. He become satisfied. He become satisfied. Now see again, students. Ekah kakah. Here answer kakah ativa trushartah. Sah atra tatra भ्रमति. किंतु जलम नास्ति. सः वने एकं घटं पश्यति. किंतु घटे जलम अल्पम. सः खिन्नः भवति, सः खिन्नः भवति। सः घटस्य समीपे पाषाणखण्डान् पश्यति, सः एकैकं पाषाणखण्डं घटे क्षिपति, तेन जलम् उपरि आगच्छति। काकः जलं पिबति, सन्तुष्टः च भवति। Now student, here your bhasha abhyasa complete. Okay. Now let's see here pathata and bodhata. Student, everyone know each and every language has avyaya. Avyaya means indeclarables. Similarly, in Sanskrit, we have to study avyaya. Avyaya means indeclarables. Now see here, atra. Atra means here. Atra means here. Tatra. Tatra means there. And kutra. Kutra means where. Atra, tatra, kutra. Atra means here. Tatra means there. And kutra means where. These avyaya are described through the pictures which printed in our textbook. Now see picture. There is one girl. There is one dog is there. River is there. Mountain is there. That side. So we will start here. Shunakah atra. Shunakah means dog. Atra here. Here is dog. Balika atra. Again, atra means here. Balika girl. Girl is here. Kandukah kutra. Kandukah means ball. Where is ball? Kutra means where. Where is ball? Kandukah atra. Atra means again here. Here is the ball. Atra here. Kandukah ball. Here is the ball. Parvatah tatra. Tatra means there. Parvatah mountain. Mountain is there. Vrukshah tatra. Again, tatra means there. Vruksha, tree. Trees is there. Nadi kutra. Where is nadi? Nadi means river. Where is river? Nadi tatra. There is river. Vayu kutra. Vayu means air. Kutra where? Where is air? Vayu sarvatra. Vayu sarvatra. Sarvatra means everywhere. Air is everywhere. Prakashah kutra. Again kutra means where and prakasha means light. Where is light? Prakashah sarvatra. Again sarvatra word. Sarvatra meaning everywhere. The light is everywhere. Yanam kutra. Yanam means vehicle. Where is the vehicle? Yanam atra nasti. See student here in the picture. No vehicle. So yanam atra nasti. The vehicle is not here. Yanam tatra nasti. The vehicle is not tatra there. The vehicle is not there. Yanam anyatra. The vehicle is elsewhere. Anyatra means elsewhere. Now again listen carefully. Atra, tatra, kutra, sarvatra, anyatra. These all words the avyaya indeclarables in Sanskrit. So again listen carefully. Shunakah atra. Shunakah atra. The dog is here. Balika atra. Balika girl. The girl is here. Kandukah putra. Kandukah meaning ball. Putra where? Where is the ball. Kandukah atra. Here is the ball. Parvatah tatra. Parvatah, mountains. The mountains is tatra, there. Vrukshah tatra. Vrukshah, trees. Tatra meaning there. The trees is there. Nadi kutra. Where is river? Nadi meaning river. Nadi tatra. There is river. The river is there. No problem. Nadi kutra. Where is river? Nadi tatra. The river is there. Vayuhu kutra. Where is kutra means where? Vayuhu air. Where is air? Vayuhu sarvatra. Air is everywhere. Sarvatra meaning everywhere. Prakashah kutra. Where is light? Prakashah, light. Prakashah sarvatra. Again sarvatra, everywhere. Light is everywhere. Yanam kutra. Where is the vehicle? Yanam atra nasti. The vehicle is not here. Atra meaning here. Yanam tatra nasti. Vehicle is not there. Tatra means there. Yanam anyatra. Anyatra, elsewhere. Yanam anyatra. The vehicle is elsewhere. Now see, vadata means say. Atra means here. Tatra means there. Kutra means where. Anyatra means elsewhere. Sarvatra, everywhere. And ekatra, together. And ekatra, together. Now student, here our Bhashabhyasah have completed. So everyone write down this Bhashabhyasah with Pathata Bodhata in your notebook. Thank you students.